And the second description is Wreath's Christmas, a warm and festive touch to your holiday decor with these handmade wreath elements, soft, colorful, and easy to create. They are perfect for kids, craft-free decoration, or heartfelt handmade gifts. Bring holiday cheers to your home with a simple, nosy wreath mode with a soft wreath strip in festival. It's a beginner-friendly craft that adds a cozy and welcoming touch to your Christmas decoration. Create personalized Christmas stocking with the wreath for a soft and festive look. This fun DIY project is perfectly for families, classrooms, or gift exchange. No sewing skills required. I hope you like the video, so please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and amazing videos especially for you. Take care, goodbye. Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the new and latest video, especially for your Christmas events and holiday. In this video we will show and share with you handmade wreath designing with craft and art. It's very simple and unique tutorial which can help you to make your event beautiful and memorable. You can also use recycled material for this tutorial. We are already post a video for you in detail, so here is the next part of. Please must join and subscribe our channel and visit our channel and watch the first part of this video. Our channel share with you the lots of design and articles of Christmas and holiday events. If you like our channel and our videos, so please again subscribe to the latest video, especially for you, Wreath tutorial for more updates and amazing video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful homemade wreath that you can use to decorate your front door, walls, or even as a centerpiece. The best part is it's budget friendly, customizable, and super easy to make even if you are beginner. So let's get started. First, let's talk about what you will need for this wreath. You will need a wreath base. You can use a wireframe, a graphic wreath, or even make one from cardboard if you don't have a base. Greenery such as artificial leaves, octopus, or pine branches. You can also use real foliage if you like. Decorative items like flower, ribbons, berries, or ornaments depending on the season of theme. A hot glue gun, floral wire, scissors. Now step 1 is prepare the base. Lay your wreath frame flat on your working surface. If you are using a wireframe, wrap it tightly with some greenery or ribbon to give it a fluff look before adding decoration. Step 2 is add the greenery. Start attaching your leaves or branches around the base, securing them with floral wire or hot glue. Work in one direction, either clockwise or counterclockwise, so that The leaves look neat and flow naturally. This is what will give your wreath that professional polished look. Is step 3. Layer in your decoration. Now it's time to get creative. Add flowers, berries, or ornaments. Place them evenly around the wreath or focus them on one side for more modern asymmetrical style. Don't be afraid to play around with colors and texture. This is where your personal style really shine. So we were step 4 is add the ribbon or bow. Tie a large bow at the bottom on top of the wreath or simply wrap a ribbon around the whole frame for a class look. This instantly makes your wreath look festive and complete. So we were step 5 finally touch. Step back and take a look at your wreath. If you see any gaps, just tuck in a few extra leaves or flowers. Once you are happy with the arguments, make sure everything is secured properly with glue or wire. And that's it, you have just made your very own homemade wreath. Hang it on your front door, above your fireplace, or give it to someone special. It's a project that's simple, beautiful, and full of heart. So viewer, if you enjoyed this tutorial, so please don't forget to hit the bell icon, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends and family. It would also love to see your creation. So please must drop your comments below and let me know how your wreath turns out. Video is so simple and easy tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. So stay tuned. God bless you. Take care. Goodbye.